What's up, guys? This is Brandon here. Do you guys want your Miata to wink every time? I'll show you how. This install is completely free. All you need is a wire that you can find anywhere. You can use speaker wire, any wire that you have laying around, and it works on any Miata. And if you want to be fancy, you can get a switch. That makes it easier, but you don't need it. So after you get the wire and the switch, if you want, you're gonna need a Miata, and we found one right here. So first thing you need to do, pop the hood.
Hey, is it weird how we're doing it on some random guy's Miata?
A little bit.
Oh, okay.
So what you want to do is you want to get the light that you want to not flip up when you wink. You get the ground wire, which is the black one on this example, and you cut it in half, and then you strip it and put a wire in between it, like we did on this side. So we interfered with the ground wire. Pretend this is the wire. So you cut it in half, and then you put these two on each end, so it connects the circuit. When this is connected, it connects the circuit.
So it's like a loop?
Yeah, so it's like a big loop. And then on the other side, you connect the switch, and it's just a big loop to your light. And then when you flip off the switch, it'll shut off the light, and then that one will just go up and down.
So now it's time to cut the wire.
So you want to get...
No, what the fuck are you... No, not...
What? We gotta cut the wire.
No, we need to get some fucking wire cutter, dude.
Alright, so we cut the black wire, as you can see, and then we already crimped this one, and what you want to do is you want to connect this end to this end, so it's a big loop. So after you did that to the ground wire, you want to run the wire through the chassis, and you want it to come out right here. So we have both the wires, and then you want to run it through the dash and up through wherever you want to, and mount the switch.
That's all we had to do?
Alright, so we drilled a hole and we fit the wires through, and we ran it underneath here, underneath the dash. So this hole is going to be for the switch. Alright, so we're going to put the switch through the hole that we made, so it's easier to access.
And then you gotta get the on and off right. So let's see if it's on. So, okay, so this is when it's on. Both of them supposed to come on. And now when we press off, that means one side is off, and one wing.
There you go. Every time, there you go. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe.